Beaver Bite Food Reviews, and today, my friends, we have a wrap. We have steak, and we have peppers, red and yellow peppers. We have chipotle sauce, onions, and some of these. These are the crispy onions by PC, by President's Choice. All in a wrap. There's big pieces of steak in there, you can see that. Okay, and give us a beaver bite. Nothing like homemade meals. The steak is made on the barbecue also. Here we go. This is amazing. The chipotle sauce is really coming through. The steak's medium rare. You can see there. So healthy too. The onions, the PC onions. A little story. When I was a young boy, my dad had a bunch of fur underneath the souvenir cabinet. We had a marina. We rented boats out. We sold live bait, leeches, minnows. He had some lynx skins underneath there. I used to hide there. And I ended up having 9 ticks in my hair. And the ticks were all lodged into my skull. And Aunt Maud, it's a woman that used to have a camper there. She was about 65 years old. Nice lady. She put Javex on them and pulled them all out. I don't know if that's where I lost my hair, but a little story for you is French-Canadian boy, Northern Ontario. Another beaver bite here. Jojo knows how to make these better than any restaurant. 9.5 out of 10. Talk to you all later. I'm the Beaver.